It's safe to say this is the best channel for natural and organic powder recipes along with natural hair tips, always here on Ivy's Naturals. So today we're diving into the wonders of mint leaf powder, a powerhouse ingredient that is packed with benefits for both our hair and skin. Mint leaf powder is known for its refreshing and cooling properties, making it perfect for soothing irritated scalps and revitalizing hair. First, you want to pick your mint leaves and rinse them thoroughly to make sure they are free from any dirt or impurities. Once that is done, we'll move on to the drying of the leaves, as moisture can affect the powder's consistency. You can lay them flat on a clean surface while drying using the sunlight, or you can use a dehydrator for faster drying. After that, we'll grind the leaves into a fine powder. This is when the magic happens. If you're loving these tips and want to see more natural remedies, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video from Ivy's Naturals. Let's proceed to the making of our mint leaf powder. The leaf is well dried when it's completely crisp and crumbly to touch. You should be able to easily break or crumble the leaves with your hands, and there shouldn't be any moisture left. If the leaves are still soft and bendable, they need more time to dry. Properly dried leaves are key to getting a fine smooth powder, so take your time to ensure they are fully dried before grinding. Now that the mint leaves are completely dried, it's time to grind them into a fine powder using a grinder. You can also use a mortar and pestle if that's what's available to you. Carefully break down the dried leaves until you have a smooth fine powder. This will ensure that all the powerful properties of the mint are fully concentrated and ready for use in your recipes. And now your mint leaf powder is ready. It's perfect for adding to your natural hair care routine. You can mix it into hair masks, deep conditioners, or add it to your shampoo for that refreshing boost. Mint leaf powder works wonders for all hair types, leaving your scalp clean and balanced.